As a guy with a map behind me, I can say, unboxing videos. Why? Here we go. This is the Lemax bridge. It's in a box and you can see a window. And when we open the box, we've unboxed it. The format that this being shot in is a video. Now that blows my mind. Let me do that again in slow motion. Okay. So you have no idea what the packaging you're going to get inside it. You have no idea, right? Ready for this? My mind is blown. I don't actually know how to do unboxing videos. I just assume you take things out of a box. And thank you. This is the Lemax product that's now not in the box. I guess for all of you that really want to stay for the whole excitement of an unboxing video, now I don't want you to think I'm ridiculing the format because, unless you like ridiculing the format, I have more things to unbox. So, the Lemax bridge is held on by 4 pieces of excruciatingly strong tape inside this clear and very visible package. Here we have, ooh, all seriousness aside, that's actually pretty nice. I don't know if you can feel it. You probably can't, because it's in my hand, not yours. But it's actually made of, plastic polymer, maybe not plaster, but actually it looks like based on the seam along the bottom. I know, it's not bad. It says, made in China, okay. But it's got 2 rubber feet and all that, and it's... The unpacking knife goes to the bridge, the other knife goes to the bridge, they pass on the bridge and they cross over the bridge. There you go. We're done here. Yeah!